Hi, I'm Tom Knight. I create interactive programs for schools, libraries, and family audiences that combine music, puppets, and a whole lot of audience participation. On this site, you'll find a range of programs, from literacy-based assemblies like Library Boogie, to my anti-bullying program Upstander, to shows designed especially for preschool audiences, and a new science program focused on curiosity and discovery. You can explore each offering, watch sample videos, or find out the details so that you can see what might be the best fit for your school or organization. And if you're here as a fan, you can watch music videos, listen to songs, and even find out how to make a puppet stage out of a cardboard box. If you have any questions or want to check availability, feel free to reach out. I'd love to connect and see if you'd like to bring one or more of these programs to your community.